Hello, in this video I will demonstrate how our system works with what we call virtual providers. Virtual provider means that one single MUX system can be split into capacity slots and with corresponding service IDs. Uh, this service IDs and capacity is defined in what we call a contract, and the contract is defined by the multiplexer operator. It's typically useful when different radio stations or different radio groups are sharing a DAB multiplexer but wants to handle their own services totally independently. And this feature will for such users behave as a complete own multiplexer, but they only see their own services and can manage their own metadata. So, for an example, let's log in as myself, Lars Peder. And now we are see the front page where we can see different status, and we can see that the configuration that is active is called P4, and we see that we have two services for this user, and with corresponding list of service IDs, subchannels that I can use, and different parameters in the multiplexers. I see audio levels and status for my own services, including audio sources. In this example, they are taken from web streams. I can put gain and web links, etc. But it can also be other audio formats, of course. PAD inputs as DLS and text slideshows. I specify either if the DLS will be extracted from the audio source, and I can directly in the web interface add pictures into the slideshow carousel, or I can use the API to upload metadata, DLS and slideshow. Same for my other services. And now we can see in the upper right corner that I'm logged in as Lars Peter, and my radio station name is P4, so I see related audio services. If I log out and log in as a different user, now will be a different radio station. And let's go to the service configuration. Now we can see that I'm a radio station called Rock, and I have only one service, and therefore I only have one subchannel and one service ID allocated in the contract, and I can monitoring only my own services, and I only have one in this example. I can define audio sources. This is also a web stream. Same with metadata. I can manually add pictures and extract metadata from audio, or I can use the API to upload my own real-time automatic update text and pictures, for example. So that's the principle. Sharing one multiplexer into many different radio stations. Each user, it's based on the login, will end up in the contract that is defined by the multiplexer operator, and they see only the defined subchannel services, etc., exactly as they are having their own multiplexer. That's all. Thank you and goodbye.